Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use CSS Flexbox to create your layout. In the previous video, we used the CSS float property, as you can see here, to create our layout. Okay, so one of the advantage of using the CSS Flexbox is that it's going to ensure that your page layout is going to accommodate to different screen sizes and different display devices. One of the disadvantage of CSS Flexbox is that it may not work well with certain browser versions. Okay, so what we're going to do is that I'm going to remove this CSS code that we wrote here in our previous video, and I'm going to modify certain things in my HTML code here. So in this class, instead of saying container, I will say flex container. So just to make reference to the fact that we are going to use CSS Flexbox in this video. I may also need to add a class here in my nav element. So I'm going to say that the class is going to be nav as well. In the article element, I will add a class like here, class article as well. And that's it. So I'm going to use some CSS properties to show you how you can use some Flexbox properties to work on your HTML layout. So as here we have the skeleton of our web page, no layout yet. So in the style element, I'm going to write the class flex container like this. And inside, I will say display WebKit flex semicolon. I will add another display flex and WebKit flex flow, and that will be a row wrap. And we can add another flex flow like this, row wrap semicolon, and then some text align center. Now you see how my page is looking like. The navigation is now showing somehow. But let's continue. I'm going to say flex hyphen container, and then star like this in the curly braces. So everything contained in the class flex here will have a padding of 15 pixels. Yes, so now you see everything is having padding 16 pixel, 15 pixel, and I'll say web kit flex 100%. Yes, now you can see. And then I will say flex colon 100 pixels percent like this. Yes, so now this is how it's showing. Let's work on the article side. So we use the class article. So we say that article like this. You want to align the text on, we say text align left like this. Yes, so the text is going to align like this. Let's work on a header. We will give a background color to our header. So background color like this. Maybe the color white. Yes, so now you see how the header is showing. Um, the same thing for the footer. So we can simply say comma footer like this. Yes, now we can see it's having the same thing. So now let's work on the nav element. So we can use the class nav like this. As for the class, we will say background color as well. What color do we want to give? Like grayish kind of color. Yes, it's going to be gray. And then we can work on the list, on ordered list. So class nav on ordered list and list style type none, and then padding 0. Yes, so now you can see how this is showing. Yes, so what else can we do? Maybe here we will say nav on ordered list anchor element text decoration as none. So this is that, and you can add another code here. We say media all and minimum width of 7068 pixels. And inside we are going to specify our CSS code. Now we say nav. So in here we say text align left. What we're gonna do is so here that will be web kit flex one auto flex one auto semicolon and WebKit order maybe 1 and order will be 1 as well. Okay, so what else can we add? We can say the same thing for the article. For the article, we will say like this. Um, what we will do here, we will remove the text align. Maybe for the WebKit Flex, it will be 5, 0 pixels. The WebKit Flex, same thing, so 5, 0 pixel. WebKit order will be 2, and the order will be 2 as well. And then as for the footer, that will be WebKit order 3, and then order 3 here. Yeah, so this is how to use Flexbox to actually work on your web layout, your HTML layout. So that's basically what we have defined here. So when you change the size of the screen, you see that the layout is also going to change. When you are on a wider screen, your navigation text is going to align on the left. When you have a smaller screen, this is how it's going to show. Now you see. Now you see that. So this is really how you can work with CSS Flexbox. It's really important. So guys, if you still have questions on what we've just talked about in this video, feel free to write in the comment section for us to have a discussion on that. But that's it for this video, and I hope the video was informative enough. So don't forget to like, to share, to comment, and to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Let's meet in the next video.